Hello, welcome friends. Today we are going to make a dream catcher or a sun catcher. Let's see what all we need. We need a cooker gasket or a ring, two circular shape objects like I have used old bangles, then any beads, danglers, feathers. I'm using a latkan over here. And then any other beads. I have three circular rings and one bell which I might use. We need some thread or wool. I'm using wool. You can use lace or any other stuff also. There are various other options you can use instead of the gasket. So you can cut out a ring shape from a plastic lid of a box, or you can use a wooden ring like this from an embroidery set, or you can simply cut it from a cardboard. Now we'll start using the ring. Tie the thread. I'm using the red wool over here. Tie it nicely and then just cover it. Don't leave any space. I'll be using a smaller ring. Just for showing purpose, I'm using a bigger ring over here. So here's my ring. This small portion which is remaining to be covered. So let me just cover it. You can also stick the ends. Now our main ring is ready. Now we'll do the same thing for the bangles. I'm using the yellow thread for one of the bangles and I'll be using the green thread for the other. So just cover the entire bangle nicely. We have the three pieces ready now. This is the main ring and the two bangles into different. So now what the next step is we'll make a design inside this red ring. So I'm using the yellow thread or the wool. Just tie it and then start with the design. So what we'll do is we'll take the thread and we'll wind it around by moving from outside to inside, making a knot like thing, okay, after a certain gap. So this is one, then this is the second one and the third one. You can divide the ring into how many ever points you want and make a regular structure like this, and it will end up at the starting point. For the second round, what we'll do is we'll go over the thread at the midpoint, okay, in the gap, and then through the gap of the second one again at the midpoint will come out. So we'll start developing a star-like structure like this. This is how it will look. So we are passing the thread through the gap from the midpoint of the first one and going over the thread at the midpoint of the second one. So keep on doing this, keep on making this structure till you reach the middle of the design, and then you have some space remaining. Okay, so now here we'll use one bead. The remaining thread which is there will pass through the bead and use the space which is there inside at the middle, at the center of this design. Just pass the thread a couple of times through the bead and then tie it around at the back. Secure it nicely with a knot and cut the extra thread. And after finishing this, we'll have the main structure of the dream catcher ready. Then we'll arrange it like this: two bangles, the three rings in the middle and the latkans at the end. So now for the dangling part, we'll tie three threads, two for the bangles and the middle one for the rings. Okay, I'm using two yellow threads and one red thread for the middle one. So just tie the bangles to the outer threads, the yellow one and the green one. After securing the two bangles, just cut out the extra thread which is remaining, and so that it looks little tidy. Once done with this, we'll start with the middle part and we'll make a chain like structure by attaching the three rings one after another. First we'll attach 2 rings with the help of the thread. You can use another ring also, which you can open and just like join these two together. So here are the first 2 rings, and I'll attach the third ring to the joint one. Here you can use old keychain rings, any earrings, anything, whatever is available with you. Okay, so you have a chain like structure which is ready. Now tie the 2 threads at 2 ends. One end which is attached to the main structure, and at the other end we'll attach the dangler or the latkan. So for the middle one, I'll be using the red dangler or the latkan. Just tie it around. Make sure you tie as many knots as required to take up the weight of the danglers. If they are lightweight, do accordingly. Similarly, we'll do it for the other 2 bangles. The yellow one will tie the yellow latkan, and for the green one we'll tie the green latkan. Just make sure that the lengths of the dangles from the main structure are as per your requirement. What I have done here is that the 3 of them are of the same length. You can have the outer ones at the same length and the middle one at a little less length or a longer length as per your requirement. So we have the dream catcher or the sun catcher ready. Hope you liked it. So here's another one which we had prepared. Thanks a lot for watching. If you would like to receive more such updates in the field of art and fashion, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Bye.